Dyson DS-Z2 Direct Drive Energy Saving Lock Stitch Sewing Machine with auto trimmer only. The advanced design for new appearance and structure, which improving the sewing performance perfectly. The control box of all-in-one machine is more stable. The core parts is precise and wearable, which lets sewing more accurate and convenient. Designed by wide voltage, adapting to the global electric system. Direct drive all-in-one technology. LED light, auto needle position, auto trimmer. Start more quickly, more energy saving. Widely used in all kinds of materials.